Hey, it's Jasmine Chanel bringing you another YouTube video. I'm in the kitchen, so obviously I'm cooking something. This has been a request from many of my followers. Just about a week ago, I posted a picture of some chocolate covered almonds that I made, and many of my friends asked for a video. So here it is. As you can see, the time on this video is very short because it's a simple process. You just need 4 ingredients: almonds, butter, almond bark, and sea salt. You can find this almond bark at your local grocery store. You can also use dark chocolate. This one is milk chocolate, and I'm going to be bringing this over for my friends and family to enjoy. My last dish only lasted 3 days, so it's very delicious. It's super simple, so let's get started. I have my almonds here on top of a baking sheet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and melt my almond bark. I'm just trying to cover all the almonds. You can always add more chocolate, more almonds, whatever you wish. Then I'm just gonna add a little more sea salt. You can also add peanut butter. I added a little peanut butter to my last set, but I'm not going to add peanut butter to this one. There you have it. So I'm pretty much done prepping it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 45 minutes, and then break it up, and you're ready to eat it and enjoy it with family or friends. It's an easy treat to just set out and let people nibble on it, and it won't last long. If you like this video, go ahead and press the like button and subscribe for future content inside the kitchen, outside the kitchen, and all over the world.